Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today we are preparing Tom Brown porridge. Yes, this is a Tom Brown mix that I produce myself and I also sell it. Okay, I have videos of how to make this Tom Brown. Nambe's tigernuts and date mix Tom Brown. The video is in my channel, you can check that out. Okay, so I just fetched 5 spoons of the Tom Brown mix powder into a bowl, and I'm going ahead to add in some water. The water should be mild, not hot, and not also too cold, in order for you to prevent lump from forming. Okay, so yes, you have to use a whisk or a spoon to mix everything together. Make sure that there is no lump form, because you need your Tom Brown to be very smooth when you are preparing it. Okay, so you have to put some water. You have to start boiling some water, okay, before mixing your Tom Brown. So I added some salt to it. The salt is to enhance the sweetness of the Tom Brown. Yes, and of course I'm pouring in the Tom Brown paste after my water has boiled. Okay, so you keep on stirring it in order to prevent lumps from forming. Guys, as soon as it begins to thicken, you see that as soon as it begins to start taking in, you have to cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and also hit the like button, okay? And guys, you need to check my videos of how to make the Tom Brown powder. I have 2 videos of how to make Tom Brown powder, and also how I package my Tom Brown powder for my small scale business. You see, it has boiled nicely and our Tom Brown is ready. Guys, in order to enjoy your Tom Brown, you need some sugar, some milk, and some groundnuts. Okay, roasted groundnuts. You can use brown sugar if you have some. I'm using this liquid milk, and also I have this roasted groundnut to enjoy my Tom Brown with. Yes, so this is how I am going to do it, and you are going to enjoy it this way if your Tom Brown is served like that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and then see you in my next video. Bye.